Today is Friday, the 24th of August, and I have just been from school. I'm going to make some healthy dinner. Yeah, kind of healthy. And fish, make some mashed potato. I'm actually going to juice in a little bit too. Organic kale, organic carrots, and then I couldn't find organic apple though. Soak this one with baking soda. My juicer is ready already. I have already installed everything. This one should wait until the dinner is finished. Super messy here. Bulingit kayo siya. Mashed potato is finished. Sauce is done. Everything is done. The fish is also finished. So dinner is ready. Na-overcook na ko ang asparagus noon sa naman na siya, mura naman na siya gikulata. Sorry na lang, ilibang ragyapo na okay. So even if it's organic, you have to wash. Ginger, yeah, this lemon. So I got this little one for me. He can have all these, like the rest for himself. I have to clean up everything, and then we might be going out later. Okay? Everything is gone in there. Yay! So we are just going to go out just for a little bit. I have been stuck inside the house, so he's like, okay, we are going out. That's so nice of him. We are going to fish here in this area. The moon is beautiful. So he's just picking up something. I'm waiting here in the car, and we maybe are going to park in the other side or something. I'm not really sure, but I'm waiting here, enjoying the moon and the view. It's just so nice. You cannot see anything. It's there, the guard. Here he comes. No, you cannot hardly see him. Hello. Yeah, I saw. It's just a plastic.